Hello all and welcome to our channel again, where we talk about new age solutions that make it easy to accomplish complicated tasks and improve productivity. Today, we're highlighting one such future-oriented solution in the industrial cleaning arena: drones for cleaning. Solar panels, facade of a building, rooftop, or large glass structures. These drones are a handy, time-saving, and efficient way that does away with ladders or scaffolding. Consider solar panels, for example. When they're all grimy and clogged with dust, their energy output takes a drastic drop. With conventional means, solar panel cleaning is a lengthy process that uses gigantic teams and gigantic resources. But with drones for cleaning, it's done efficiently and quickly without compromising anyone's safety in the process. For large jobs, the Orion AP3P3 Pliabot is a versatile solution. With its smart cleaning and modular attachment, it's great for tasks like solar farm cleaning or huge facade cleaning, optimizing efficiency and versatility. Or if precision is of the greatest concern, then the DJI Matrice 300 offers modularity and high-performance features and is ideal for those precise, high-precision cleaning jobs. Not only do we at Xboom sell the latest cleaning drones such as the Orion AP3P3 Pliabot and the DJI Matrice 300, but we actually fly them ourselves. So we know the technology backwards and forwards. Our staff are on hand to assist you in choosing the appropriate model for your requirements, whether you run a commercial building, operate a solar farm, or just want to eliminate the inconvenience of ladders and ropes. If you'd like to streamline your cleaning operations using the capabilities of a drone, please don't hesitate to visit us at www.xboom.in. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more information on new technology innovations that can save your time, cut costs, and increase safety.